another beautiful day, another time for the Talk ladies to talk about happenings inside the entertainment industry and also inside the world in general, not just entertainment. We talk about politics. Yeah, because we're a politician. Now, don't forget, say if you want to put your mouth inside, we're on top Twitter, at Talk Wazobia, on top Facebook, Talk-Wazobia TV. Now, today, normally, they see just me and Bettiana, but today, we get one confirmed person who will actually join us in the talking of today.
Oh, yes.
Bettiana, should I do the introduction or you are ready to do the introduction of this person?
It's a new week. Do the honors.
All right. So we get one fine bubble inside the studio. Yeah. In a person where invoice the fit finished person, like say tomorrow, not day. Well, you go find out later. We get Michael Meme inside the studio, a.k.a. Jollof Rice.
Ah,
yes, so
Nigerian or Ghanaian? We need to clear that one.
It's actually
first of
Nigerian
all.
jollof.
Nigerian jollof.
Of course,
you have
with
won my
Tata
heart.
shape,
Ah,
according to
and
Raji.
Rodo.
Yeah.
You know, see Bettiana
yeah.
and food.
Oh,
when you see
Lord.
B, you see F. So Bettiana and food,
They go
be
hand in
friends.
hand. It's a wonder that I'm not fat.
Yes, so
You're meeting na Chukwuka.
yeah, that's
Chukwuka
my
Meme.
middle name. How did you
So
guys
where Meme from, as in
Imo State.
Imo
That's
State.
where I am.
MBC.
Wow.
No, Mbano.
But no.
Yeah.
I for chasing Nana to say MBC.
Okay, make I drop this phone thing. Make me say speak to
I
you.
come and tell you for you.
Make it
Greet
not
your
be
people
like
for
Where I supposed to look?
with your language.
Greet them
Look
for
your
yeah.
my language.
Greet them with your
Yes.
language, yes.
Ah.
Rep Naija. Greet your people.
Yes, so my people, it's your boy.
Igbo.
Jesus.
It's your boy. Which boy?
Like for my hand this afternoon.
The hand already for. Even me when the people, if you try to greet people in Igbo language.
Ndị be m ana m ekele unu.
Aha.
Yeah. Nwa unu, Michael, aka Jollof Rice. All right, please, after this, forgive me. Don't kill me backstage. All right.
You tried.
Man, at least I tried.
Yeah. That's in there. Whoa.
Thank you. Otutu
Yes, so
Oma.
Otutu
Bolachi.
Oma. That's Owerri. Ibolachi. Yeah, that's my mom. That's where my mom's from. So.
Yeah, you see, yeah. But you try in greeting your people. All right, we're going to know more about Michael Meme when we come back after the break. And we get also other things for us to discuss, things that happen inside the entertainment industry and lots more. Stay with us. All right, welcome back. You see how they dance now because we get Michael Chukwuka Meme, a.k.a. Jollof Rice. Yes, I will keep that Chukwuka inside.
No, Allah.
Very important.
Call the AK again.
A.k.a. Jollof Rice.
Come on, wait. It's not a Nigerian jollof.
Okay, Jollof.
Nigerian
Jollof Rice.
So some people call me MJR or WJR because it was actually Waje's idea. She
To
gave
call
me
you
the
Jollof
name.
Rice.
She gave me that name after my blind audition. Now she called me Jollof Rice. So
What came about the jollof rice name?
she said the voice be like Jollof Rice. It say be like
be
it sound be like
lie.
Nigerian
No, let
jollof.
him, because I don't know. Maybe you don't hear the voice for your dream.
I hear the voice.
Can you give us,
The voice
let
they
us
make
taste.
people catch feelings.
Okay, let me catch feelings, please.
Okay.
Let me see how Jollof this rice, these voices, I mean.
Okay, actually right now I'm having some issues with my voice, but I go try. All right. Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Oh no. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the fame.
Okay, it's okay. This is not the voice.
So
please.
because
It's
we
okay.
want to join you
It's
inside,
okay.
you can't they do so that I'm not going to join you, Abby.
Yeah, but people don't know. We say Michael Chukwuka Meme. Him now one of the contestants for Inside the Voice. Yes, The Voice Nigeria.
Yes, so
where they just recently, repping The Voice. Very recently. What will be her name again? Arase?
RSA,
Yes, she actually come out as the winner. Yes. But let's talk about you a little bit before we talk about things where they happen inside Weobodo, Nigeria.
Voila.
Now, why music? You study music for school?
Yeah, I'm actually still studying.
Oh.
I'll finish next year. Yeah.
So why music? out of all courses? Because I can imagine.
Well, that's a very, very interesting question because while I was about to make that decision to study
Michael,
music in school.
You know if you speak pidgin. Is that what you're trying to say?
All right, no problem. I did try. Okay, so when I want to make that decision to study music for school, I also asked myself, why music? If we even fought in the house, my parents, they were like, for what?
Engineering not there. Medicine not there.
You know that kind of thing.
Banking and finance.
Mass comm not there.
You said not music.
Yeah, but I used to be a science student, actually. Yeah,
Wow.
I did sciences back in secondary school. So, but when I've been try JAMB, you understand? JAMB me
It
the
jammed
first
you?
time.
How
Yeah,
many
you
times?
understand? It was actually once. Actually, not be even JAMB. All the JAMB, I mean, they make them now. They post me, and you know this Nigerian university thing. So when you get there, before you know, they will tell you one story or the other. And then right from time, I don't always get this passion for singing. You know, people don't tell me say they sing like girl, I sing like angel. You know, they tell me
Jollof
different
Rice.
stuff.
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
you sing like beans.
Because she like beans well.
Oh
So
my God.
I don't know about what. Yes, you're jollof rice, but for me, you are beans.
Oh, sure.
Michael Chukuka, Meme, aka
Beans. Confirm, bam. So, you know, in order to cut the long story short,
Yeah.
so when I've been get that admission, finally after like 3 tries, you understand, that was okay. After trying sciences, I decided to switch up to arts. You understand? So I just felt like trying, and then as I do, the first time I saw that I was just catching up with everything effortlessly. Now I think say art no hard though. So just enter. As I write the admission, they just give me the thing say once, bam. You understand? And that was when I knew that no, I was meant to do music. You understand?
Wow.
And then ever since then, I've been directing choirs, teaching churches,
Wow.
teaching music in schools. You understand? And I play the piano too. So, and some other few instruments that I can play a little. But then in school, man, it's a different ball game. Studying music, theoretical music, it's
different.
so difficult.
Yeah.
It's different from all these things we see on TV.
Do you get any question before
Yes,
we
I
talk
actually
about
want to
things?
find out. Now, this is now the first time they come across an artist who actually they study music. Now, tell me the difference, because before you begin studying music for school, you don't ready to sing.
Yeah.
So what's in studying music in school don't actually help contribute to
Yeah,
your life as an artist?
Oh man, it don't help me. It don't contribute a whole lot because, I wouldn't want to mention anybody's name, but most of the artists we have on our screens right now, you know, they do some things. Okay, they're actually limited. Then they're limited in the things where they fit do with their voice. You understand? And that's why when they sing, it's like the job like say they talk. You understand? Rather than them singing, you understand? There's no music in what they are singing. What people are actually dancing to is the beat. And you just, in fact, in Nigerian music industry today, all you need to do is find a very good producer where if he create better beats. You understand? The singers are actually, the musicians are actually not really singing. So that's one advantage of studying music. You learn how to manipulate your voice well. You understand? And then some people, there are some musical terms. Now, if I start to drop on here, now people go to wonder. You understand that as a musician, you could use vibrato when you sing. You understand?
Not drop am, still
I
drop
said not drop her, you drop her beans. What is wrong with you?
I guess they tell now so that you know the difference.
Yes,
between,
we can use vibrato.
So
Yeah, when
vibrato
you
now,
sing.
wait, now we go do.
Yeah, kind of. All right.
I go school.
You know,
You try.
you try.
You are
actually.
vibrating. Vibrato.
You know, it's like a way of adding dynamics. You know.
To the voice.
Yeah, and some very nice ornaments to the voice when you sing. Those are also musical terms. Dynamics, ornaments.
The
But these people,
dynamics
they
now a
don't know.
universal term, not just music. But I also want to find out, you get anybody for your department in school where you say, you not get voice, but they do music. And also, if such people, they studying music, they actually help build their voice.
Yes. People they will know actually sabi sing. All right. And that's why in the educational system, if you're studying music, especially in the University of First Choice, the University of Lagos, I had
That's the
to rep
University
my
of
school.
First Choice.
Yeah, of course, and the nation's
But you talked
pride.
last week. Let's not go there. Let's not go there. You know, Michael,
Yeah.
wait. While you're there inside the studio, we will talk more about the musical career and
No,
your
Allah.
studying music. But
No problem.
let's talk about some things where they trend inside the entertainment industry.
No, Allah.
And as we get you for here, you go put your mouth inside.
Now, they plan to go into gospel music or secular music?
That's why I'm saying this now. Now, the kind of music I want to do as an artist is called creative art music. Do you understand? Now, music, and what I mean by this is my music does not particularly focus on any genre, all right? What I am concerned about is the message that each song is passing, you understand? So I can do an Afro-pop song, I could do a reggae song, I could do a song termed gospel. I don't know. What is called gospel, actually? What's the meaning of gospel? Gospel is a message.
Yeah.
Do you understand? But then I wonder why people try to differentiate between secular and gospel. There is this song by, I don't know, is it Bob Marley or who?
Sing the song.
Song of Freedom. Won't you help to sing? Okay. Yeah, look at that song now. Some people go tamam for secular song. You understand? You understand? So I want to, what thing I want to try to do as an artist is now to make people understand, say, no be until you call God name for your lyrics before they go not say gospel. God did that song. You understand? What is God telling us to do as humans? He's telling us to preach the message of hope, the message of love to people, you understand? So
I like that. You get a very spiritual background. But we're going to need to pass more break. Now, when we come back after the break, more things to hear from Michael Meme, and we will also play you one of his stage performances called The Voice Nigeria.
Are you shy?
That particular, anyway, you know what?
They come back. Yes, we don't come back, and we won't actually watch the stage performance of Michael for Inside the Voice Nigeria. May we hear the voice where you say they make us catch feelings. You understand? As Betiana, they catch feelings. That's the only way you can describe it is wow.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, darling. I'm
sorry. It's a good.
So let's talk about the voice experience. Tell us about him.
Yeah, it was one great experience. I don't think I don't know if I've ever had any good experience, any experience as good as that before my
Tell us how
life.
you take enter this competition.
It just started like joke. At this school that they call me, say, yeah, do you know about The Voice Nigeria? We go like, so, make I talk about
call you? How did they call? How did they see your number to call you?
Yes, they said my number was gotten from the database of other musical shows.
Oh, really?
You understand? Yeah, so that they would like to know if I would like to audition for this show. You understand? So that's why I go. I feel normally, I'm always scared about going for competitions like this because, you know, at the end of the day, you just say one person we know sabi pass, you just enter the hand. So as I went, after the audition, we sing finish. They said they would get back to us if we were selected. So they just call me or say, I hope you're ready because you're going to be part of the show, and like joke. That's why I take it.
So when I tell you, you scream, you shout, you tear clothes. How you
I scream. Something make me scream, but I don't go talk that thing.
Why?
Right, but no. It's a private issue.
It's a coded thing. Coded thing.
Wow. I was so happy. You understand? So, but then the journey from the beginning of that show to the very end for me was epic. It was massive. I learned a whole lot. I used to be this very camera shy person. But man,
stage fright.
The good Lord used Auntie Waje.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No wonder she give you jollof rice.
To use that to restructure my artistry as a singer, you understand? And I'm really grateful to her. Shout out to Official Waje, wherever you are. Aww. You're the best, and I love you so much if you're watching. I know you know. Yeah, so that's it.
That's so touching. So from The Voice now, waiting be the next big thing for you. You want first go finish school, or you they plan to do recordings?
Yeah, I'm actually, they run everything at the same time. It's not easy for me, all right, because there's social media, a lot of fans trying to reach me, and a lot of other people, sponsors, even trying to contact me. It's part of the reason I'm on this show too. All right, so I'm running everything, running school, and I have a manager who's managing me now. So yeah, so we're actually putting things together. So very soon, it will drop like bomb.
So after the competition, how your, I won't say colleagues, your classmates relate to you? Some of them, they see you like star now, or then, they relate on the same level?
I go be on the same level. You know what I be for school?
Hey, who you be for school? Another level.
I be done, no. I be
done.
Jollof rice, now. Everywhere I go, jollof rice.
Serious?
Even people from outside, they will drive into my school. I'm looking for jollof rice.
Wow.
Yeah, because some people know say na Unilag I did, so yeah. So it was very, very, very nice and welcoming. When I got back to school, then they even organized party for me. So.
Wow.
And I'm even supposed to perform today in school. They have a very big event in school that I'm supposed to perform in.
I can't miss school these days now. As every time
you have to go back to school, my darling.
Yeah.
To do what now?
Different things there to do. There's master, there's PhD. You say
I miss school in this level.
No, you can still enjoy it.
When you start to do your masters, you know they do gigs.
Oh, you can't still
no, it's a different gig.
No, let's talk about the jollof rice as a name now.
Yeah.
You go keep this name jollof rice.
Of course now. I think it entails how sweet I am or how sweet I can be as an artist, you understand? So jollof rice too bad.
Hey, they don't know.
I'm keeping it, of course.
You are keeping jollof rice?
Of course.
Okay, so you go come out the Michael Meme and put jollof rice.
No, Michael actually, jollof rice,
see my name, so make I spell them out for now.
I go be on top screen after you don't do your song, your music. They'll put them for the side.
Of course. It's Michael Meme in bracket POG, a.k.a. jollof rice.
It's the POG.
Product of grace, man.
Oh.
It's sticking to my name.
I don't talk all on top of the show.
But the thing long go.
I think Michael
long go.
Bracket POJ.
No, it's just like when we're talking about Timmy Dakulo, not Timmy Dakulo, not Two-Face and whatever. Now, if one talk, call you Michael Meme, bracket POG, bracket jollof rice.
No, you make a tell us it go be. Not as people they introduce themselves and say, okay, people, it's your boy, Michael Meme, aka POG, aka jollof rice. So bad.
No, do your face like that. Do your face like that. You do your face one kind.
I know Sabian.
Oh yeah, do it again. Introduce yourself again.
So you go bite lip, the down lip, you go bite time.
Okay. Bite it.
AKA jollof rice to bad.
No, you said you bite your down lips to sell your market.
Of course now.
I don't understand. What market are you selling?
Hey, I don't put myself for trouble.
Product of grace. What markets are you selling?
Product of grace, remember. What product are you selling?
Okay.
Nakamu?
A lot of people actually think, say, me, I don't know. Me, I actually don't know. A lot of people think, say, I'm cute. You understand?
Oh, so you're selling cuteness.
And you don't know?
Yeah, it's part of.
You don't know if they're right or wrong.
Me, no.
Michael, are you cute?
Me.
That's the question. You are a product of grace.
Oh,
are you cute?
Yes. No. I don't mean the answer. Wait.
Thank you so much, Michael. So you enter inside the studio. It was a wonderful day today. I know everybody will agree. Please follow on top Instagram. You did there. What's your name?
Yes, of course. Please, I was going to make that shout out. You guys follow me up on Instagram. If you want to know what's going to happen for my life every day, day to day, just follow me up on Twitter and Instagram. Meme Michael. Now let me spell it out. It's M-E-M-E. Michael is M-I-C-H-A-E-L. Some people they like spell E-A-L. Yeah, but then that Michael get double L. All right, because plenty Michael full internet. Okay, so my own are 2 L's. All right,
please follow our top Instagram and support the movement. Yes. It's time for us to leave.
All right, cool.
I bet sing us out.
Yes.
Make us sing now.
Yes. A different song.
You have to be fast with it. 1, 2, go. Sing us out.
Oh, God. Nobody has it in.
Now only the song you know.
I said different songs.
Oh, yeah, no, okay, no problem. What's your favorite song?
As we always talk, we have to leave.
Ordinary people.
We're just ordinary people.
Why you help him?
I need to help him.
Maybe
you see what you do
should take it slow.
It's okay. It's okay.
We're just ordinary people. Thank you.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.